Okay guys, we start drawing a circle. That circle gonna help us to add the element of the face and drawing the face too. Okay, now we drawing two lines. Okay, this line is the eyes limit, and now we're gonna make three divisions that have the same space. Okay, now it's time to draw in the face. The neck, the clavicles, and the muscle of the neck. Now it's time to the ears. For the nose, we only have to join two lines. Okay, that line is the limit of the eyes, and now it's time to draw in this cube to draw in the eyes. The mouth is just a line. Next, the lock of hair. Pay attention about the hair cause is important. If you want to feel more comfortable about drawing the hair, you can join this guide that's gonna help you to drawing the hair. And we almost finished this drawing. Now it's time to add the details. So let's start.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence I got.
And here guys, we have Uchiha Madara. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a nice comment, a nice like, and see you the next week. Bye bye.